Have you guys ever seen fruit trees stuffed in an Eclipse? Or any compact coupe for that matter? I got 4 of them in there. 3 of the 4, 7 feet tall. Just takes a little finesse. I got it closed too without a single branch sticking out. I was afraid I was gonna have to like prop the trunk lid up, but carefully embedding them all and shoving them clear down in there and fitting them like a puzzle piece, I got everything to fit. You couldn't even tell if you didn't know. And I got one better than this. I wish I had it on camera. It was a long time ago. I had a dirt bike stuffed in the back of a Camaro with the hatch kind of like sitting on it. I got a lot of weird looks, as you can imagine. You might be a redneck if. It's going to be a little bit difficult to shift, but I've been through worse. Oops. Just in case you want to call my bluff on them being 7 feet tall, there you go.